Hi, in this video, we will talk about how to get a particular element attributes. So each and every element will have multiple attributes. So I want to get particular attribute and then verify whether that attribute is the same which we are expecting or not. So for that, so if you go to any web page, so if I go to dev.automationtesting.in/form, so then in the first name text box, if I inspect this, you see name is equal to first name. So for this particular text box, placeholder is equals to first name is there or not. Okay. So if you go to the last name, the placeholder is last name is there or not. If you go to any other element, so for this value is equal to management, the type is equal to checkbox or not. So I want to verify these things. So how you can do that? So for that, let me go to the code. Let me create an instance of page. Page is equals to playwright dot create dot chromium dot launch new browser type launch options dot set headless false dot new page, and then page dot navigate. So I'll go to this, and here, so I want to get the attribute, right? So string first name placeholder I want to verify. Okay. So for that page dot, you see, get attribute. The first one is I want to find that element first, any one of the locators. So I'll take name equal to first name. Okay. So name equal to first name, comma. What is the attribute you want to take? Placeholder. So this attribute I want to verify. I want to get. Okay. So S out. First name placeholder is. So first name placeholder. So it has to print what? First space name it has to print. Okay. So after that, page dot close. So let me try. So page dot get attribute, and you need to provide the selector and the name of the attribute which you want to get or print. So now it has to print what? First space name. You see that? First name placeholder is first space name. So we are getting that particular attribute value. So we need to provide the selector and which attribute you want to. Okay. And if I say another one, this management checkbox. Okay. Value is equals to management. I want to verify the type is checkbox or not. Okay. So string management checkbox page dot. So you can do this way also. Locator and then dot using get attribute. So what is that? Type, right? So type attribute is checkbox or not. It has to print checkbox. So S out. So management checkbox type is. So management checkbox. It has to print what? Checkbox. Okay. Let me run this one and see. First time it should print. First one it should print first space name, and the second one is should print checkbox. So I'm getting an error. Valuable passing selector management. I made any mistake. So I forgot to give these brackets. The locator which I mentioned is wrong. So let me rerun again. You see that first name placeholder is first name and management checkbox type is checkbox. So we are able to get the attribute of a particular element. So there are two ways. Page dot get attribute method will accept two parameters. One is the selector and the second one is which attribute value you want. And the another way is page dot locator dot get attribute and provide the which attribute you want to get. Okay. So this is how you can get the attribute and you can verify whether that particular locator attribute is which we are expecting or not. Okay. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel for interesting updates. Thank you.